Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Dear students, today we will learn big and small. Are you ready? Let's start with me. Look at this ball. This ball is big. This ball is small. Say with me, big, small. Very good. Look here, this is a hen. The hen is big. This is a chick. The chick is small. Same as this is a watermelon. The watermelon is big. And this is the apple and apple is small. This is a lion. Lion is big. And this is a cat. Cat is small. Dear students, now look. The bus is big. The van is small. Big bus, small van. Very good. Now look at these trees. This tree is big. This tree is big. And this plant is small. Big tree, small plant. Dear students, today we will learn big things, small things. Big mean large, small mean little.